Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside Settings Focus Do Not Disturb. Open it now and toggle Do Not Disturb on. Once done, scan the top options: Status, Allowed Notifications, and Focus Filters. You're checking who can break through and when, because misconfigured Allowed Contacts or apps is the usual cause. Make sure your iPhone's time and iCloud account are correct. Inconsistent time zones or unsynced devices can keep interruptions coming despite Do Not Disturb being enabled. Next, you'll control exceptions. Tap people and remove any group or contact you don't want to bypass Do Not Disturb. Conversely, add only those truly urgent. Then go to Apps and block or permit app notifications, prioritize essential alerts, and disable unnecessary ones. Once configured, set repeat calls to off unless you want a second call to break through. Also tweak home screen and lock screen options so banners and badges don't reveal notifications visually while DND is active. To finish, test the setup. Use Control Center to toggle Do Not Disturb and ask someone to call or send a message to confirm silence. Make sure Focus Sync is enabled if you want the same behavior on iPad or Mac. If interruptions persist, reboot your iPhone and check for an iOS update. These often fix notification bugs. As a last resort, reset focus settings to defaults and rebuild your rules. This clears hidden conflicts and restores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.